everyone. Welcome back to your art class. Today we are going to do what will be probably our last demonstration, your last art project. We're going to be doing a decoration for the 4th of July. It's a windmobile that kind of moves around when the wind blows. It's a blue star with red stripes, and it moves with the wind. Makes a nice 4th of July decoration. On the 4th of July, we usually wear red, white, and blue because those are the colors of the American flag, and that is our Independence Day. It's the day that we celebrate the birthday of America. So everybody dresses in red, white, and blue, and we celebrate the birth of our country. So today, what we're doing is our mobile, our American flag colored 4th of July Independence Day mobile. What you're going to need is 2 paper plates, plain paper plates. One will be used to make the star and one will be used to make the stripes. What you're going to do first is draw a star in the center of one of your plates and cut it out. The star doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can. Stars are sometimes tricky to do. That's why I say draw it first before you start cutting. And you can have a grown-up help you, or you can try doing it. And if you make a mistake, it's okay, you could draw it on the back. You could always take another paper plate. So here's my star. I'm going to paint it blue. I already painted this side. I have another one. Paint both sides. So with my paintbrush, I'm going to paint my blue star. This is the part of the mobile that's going to attach to the spiral red and white stripes for the American flag. And again, if you like, you can do it in, you can just color it in crayon, or maybe you have a blue paper plate. That would be fine too. So now I have both sides painted. And I'm going to let this dry a little bit. Both sides are painted. Then I'm going to take my other paper plate and put red stripes on it. And we're going to do both sides. So with my red paint, take your time. It's not a race. You can do your stripes. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Do the best you can. Here's one side. I like to let it dry and then do the other side. And before I started this video, I did one. I did one with stripes on this side and stripes on this side. So once your star and your plate are dry, we can start assembling it. The first thing that you have to do is we have to cut the plate in a spiral, which means you kind of start at the edge and you go around and around, and then you get a little closer to the center and you cut a spiral shape. This plate's still a little wet. Until you get to the middle. Then with your hole puncher and your star, you're going to punch a hole at the top point of the star like so, and then one at the bottom at the thicker spot, like so. See that? See where the holes are? One at the tippy top point and one at the bottom, between the bottom points. Then we're going to cut some string. I happen to have this beautiful blue string. You can use any kind that you have. trick is finding the beginning of the string. Here we go. I'm going to cut 2 pieces. 1 and 2. Then the string is going to go through the hole at the top of the star, like so. And you can just tie it right at the top. See that? And then, with the very center of your paper plate, you're going to punch another hole. See that? That's the center part. And you're going to attach it. We'll put the string through the hole. And this time, we're going to attach it to the bottom of the star so that the spiral and the star are attached. So when you hold the top, you have your beautiful spiral wind-catching mobile. Okay, it's kind of pretty if they get a nice breeze on a beautiful breezy 4th of July. It spins around and it gives you a feeling of festivity for the 4th of July for our nation's birthday. And I think this is the point where I'm going to say goodbye and tell you that I miss you very much. I hope you have a very beautiful summer, and I can't wait to see you in the fall. Please stay well, stay safe, and try to do some art over the summer. You know, coloring and drawing and cutting and gluing and painting. And this way, you can nurture your creativity. And I hope you have a really happy 4th of July. Don't eat too many hot dogs and hamburgers. Okay, then you get a bellyache. I miss you guys. Have a beautiful summer.